Welcome to the next episode of DIY Retro. I'm sure it's happened to you more than once that your smartphone is almost dead and you don't have power bank with you, but I bet you often have your wallet with you. So why not carry a power bank in your wallet along with your money? In this short video, I'll show you how to make a power bank that you can have always on your hand and is slim enough to easily fit in your wallet. So let's start it. Our power bank is very easy to build. The main components are a lithium-ion battery, the same type used in the mobile phones, an electronic circuit for proper charging for the lithium-ion cells, and the USB-C cable, of course. I started by soldering the wires to the battery, then I attached the BMS board to the battery using double-sided tape and connected it to the cell. Okay, next is a quick check to see if the battery is charging correctly. Of course, the power bank will be charged via the USB-C port. To complete the electronics of our ultra slim power bank, all that's left is to solder the output cable. I'm using a short USB Type-C cable for this. I route the USB cable around the battery to make the power bank as thin as possible. I secured the wire with duct tape and soldered the power wires, that is ground and 5-volt wires, to the BMS. The electronics are ready, so it's time to make the casing. For this I will use a piece of black fabric, a needle and a thread. I cover the power bank electronics with double-sided tape and then I stick the black fabric onto it. I stitch the entire assembly around the edges with black thread. Additionally, I create a pocket for the protruding USB cable. The power bank is ready, and this is probably my quickest and least complicated project, but as they say, the genius lies in simplicity. This particular model has a capacity of 2500 mAh, so it can easily charge your phone when it's about to die, plus it's super slim and small, so you can literally carry it on your wallet. Thank you for watching. I hope you will never be left with a dead phone after this video. As usual, please subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and see you soon in the next episode of DIY Retro channel.